Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to access the business center on TikTok. First of all, you must have a business account on TikTok, and if you don't have one, you can check out our video on how to switch from personal account to business account on TikTok. So the next thing you're going to do, click on your profile icon on the bottom, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then this is your business center or your business suite. Tap on it, and here it opens up some options: analytics, growth center, creative hub, message center, need help. So you can check anyone. Analytics is the first option here. You learn about your viewers. Second option, growth center. We open it up, it talks about exciting event updates. Then creative hub, you tap on it, it gives you inspiration, account, hashtag, music you can create. Then we have the message center. The message center, you can create automatic messaging, that is a welcome message, keyword reply, suggested questions. Under welcome message, you can provide an automated welcome message to start a conversation. Under keyword reply, you can use auto reply to respond when someone mentions certain words in the message. And under suggested questions, you can display frequently asked questions and show the answers when someone clicks on them. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more. Thank you.